So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to download files on Gumroad for free. So first, you need to access any search engines, but in this case, I am using a Google Chrome. And after that, you need to hand over to the gumroad.com. And once you're in, you will see this page, and you just have to sign in if you have current account. But if you don't have one, just click on the sign up for you to able to register. And after that, you need to hand over to the Discover section. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page and you can utilize the search bar for you to able to search for products. But in able to download free files on Gumroad, you should find the correct products or files as well because files on Gumroad is not free. So they offer their files for some prices. So for example, in this one, like in more than software development, you will see right here, this Mac Whisper is cost €0. So basically, that is for free. Also this one, LFAS, the AI-powered knowledge assistant, it also costs $0 a month. So basically, you have to find the correct product or the correct files for you to able to download free files as well. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.